everyone, you are on the channel The Master is Afraid of the Work. In this video, I will show you a small life hack on how to refill a disposable grinder for black peppercorns. I have a small disposable grinder. The pepper mix is already finished. Unfortunately, it's currently absolutely impossible to refill it at all because this lid does not come off. I really want it to keep working. It's a shame to throw it away. To remove the top lid of the grinder, you need to take hot water, boiling water, and pour it into a small container. And turn the grinder upside down. Heat it for 5-10 seconds. Now that it's fully heated, let's just carefully pull it off, slowly, a bit more, and it will open. All that's left is to thoroughly blow out and dry the grinder and the jar, and then fill it with new pepper. To make the job easier, I'll use a funnel. Now, simply press the grinder's lid back into place until it clicks securely. There, it's ready for use. You can check how the pepper grinds to your preference. As you can see, the pepper grinds just as well as it did with the new packaging. Now you can easily use this grinder for a long time, and efficiently. You are on the channel The Master is Afraid of the Work, watching a video about how to refill a disposable pepper grinder. Leave your remarks and comments, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye, everyone.